What happens to your body if you exercise with kettlebells daily? Not once per week, not occasionally, every single day. How does daily kettlebell training transform your physique, your fitness, and your life? Today we're exploring the remarkable effects of incorporating daily kettlebell exercises into your fitness routine. From enhanced strength and endurance to fat loss and improved mobility, kettlebell exercises offer a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this video provides valuable insights into what daily kettlebell training does to your body. The benefits, the changes, the transformation. By the end, you'll understand exactly how your body adapts to daily kettlebell work and whether this training style is right for you. Let's get into it. First, let's clarify what we mean by daily kettlebell training. This doesn't mean maximum effort every single day. That would lead to overtraining and injury. Daily kettlebell training means intelligent, varied intensity practice. Some days heavy and challenging, some days light and technical, some days moderate volume. The key is frequency. Training the same movement patterns daily, but managing intensity and volume intelligently. This approach, used by Soviet athletes and modern kettlebell sport competitors, produces remarkable adaptations. Now let's explore exactly what happens to your body. Benefit 1. Increased strength and muscle development. Daily kettlebell training builds strength differently than traditional gym training. You're not going to maximum effort 3 times per week. Instead, you're accumulating high-quality volume across 7 days. What happens in your body? Neural adaptations occur rapidly. Your nervous system learns to recruit muscle fibers more efficiently. This happens through daily practice. Motor unit synchronization improves. Your brain gets better at firing multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Muscle protein synthesis is triggered frequently. Every training session creates a growth stimulus. With daily training, you're creating multiple synthesis spikes per week instead of just 2 or 3. Connective tissue strengthens. Tendons and ligaments adapt to consistent loading. This prevents injury and allows you to handle heavier weights over time. The result? Steady, consistent strength gains. Not dramatic jumps, but reliable progress week after week. After 4 weeks of daily kettlebell training, most people increase their working weights by 10 to 20%. After 12 weeks, strength gains of 30 to 50% are common. Plus, you build functional muscle. Not just size, but muscle that performs. Your body looks athletic and capable, not just big. Benefit 2. Enhanced cardiovascular fitness. This is where daily kettlebell training shines. Kettlebell exercises, especially ballistic movements like swings and snatches, provide intense cardiovascular training. What happens in your body? Your heart becomes more efficient. Daily cardiovascular stimulus strengthens your heart muscle. It pumps more blood per beat. Your resting heart rate decreases. A lower resting heart rate indicates better cardiovascular fitness. VO2 max improves. This is your body's ability to use oxygen during exercise. Higher VO2 max means better endurance. Capillary density increases. Your muscles develop more blood vessels. This improves nutrient delivery and waste removal. Mitochondrial density increases. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells. More mitochondria mean more energy production. Your lactate threshold rises. You can work at higher intensities before fatigue sets in. The result? You climb stairs without getting winded. You play with your kids without exhaustion. Your endurance in all activities improves dramatically. Research shows that just 10 minutes of daily kettlebell swings can improve cardiovascular fitness as much as 30 minutes of jogging, but without the joint impact of running. After 4 weeks of daily kettlebell work, your resting heart rate typically drops by 5 to 10 beats per minute. After 12 weeks, your cardiovascular capacity can improve by 20 to 30%. Benefit 3. Improved flexibility and joint mobility. Many people think strength training reduces flexibility. Daily kettlebell training does the opposite. What happens in your body? Dynamic stretching occurs naturally. Kettlebell exercises like swings, snatches, and Turkish get-ups take your joints through full range of motion under load. Joint lubrication improves. Movement stimulates synovial fluid production. This lubricates your joints and reduces stiffness. Fascial mobility increases. The connective tissue surrounding your muscles becomes more pliable. Muscle length increases. Loaded stretching, like the bottom of a kettlebell swing, lengthens muscles over time. Hip mobility improves significantly. The hip hinge pattern in swings and deadlifts opens up tight hips. Shoulder mobility expands. Overhead movements like presses, snatches, and get-ups improve shoulder range of motion. Thoracic spine mobility increases. Rotational exercises improve mid-back mobility, crucial for posture and injury prevention. The result? You move better in daily life. Bending down feels easier. Reaching overhead is effortless. Getting up from the floor is smooth. Your body feels younger and more capable. After 4 weeks of daily kettlebell training, most people notice significantly improved hip and shoulder mobility. After 12 weeks, chronic stiffness often disappears completely. Benefit 4. Fat loss and improved body composition. Daily kettlebell training is incredibly effective for fat loss, not just during the workout, but for hours afterward. What happens in your body? Caloric expenditure increases. Kettlebell training burns 15 to 20 calories per minute during the workout. EPOC effect is significant. Excess post-exercise oxygen consumption keeps your metabolism elevated for 12 to 24 hours after training. Muscle mass increases while fat decreases. This improves your body composition dramatically. Your basal metabolic rate rises. More muscle means you burn more calories even at rest. Insulin sensitivity improves. Your body becomes better at using carbohydrates for energy instead of storing them as fat. Growth hormone and testosterone increase. These hormones are crucial for fat loss and muscle building. Cortisol management improves. Regular exercise helps regulate stress hormones that promote fat storage. The result? You lose fat while building muscle. Your body becomes leaner and more defined. Your clothes fit better. You look more athletic. Research shows that daily kettlebell training can reduce body fat by 2 to 3% in 8 weeks, while simultaneously increasing lean muscle mass. After 12 weeks, total body transformation is common. 5 to 10 pounds of muscle gained, 10 to 15 pounds of fat lost. Your physique doesn't just get smaller, it gets better, stronger, more defined, more capable. Benefit 5. Improved core stability and posture. This benefit affects everything. Your appearance, your movement quality, your injury prevention, even your confidence. What happens in your body? Deep core muscles strengthen. Your transverse abdominis and multifidus, the muscles that stabilize your spine, work constantly during kettlebell exercises. Anti-rotation strength develops. Single arm exercises force your core to resist unwanted twisting. Spinal erector strength increases. The muscles along your spine become stronger and more enduring. Glute activation improves. Strong glutes support your pelvis and lower back. Hip flexor length increases. Tight hip flexors pull your pelvis forward. Kettlebell training lengthens them. Scapular stability improves. The muscles around your shoulder blades learn to stabilize properly. Thoracic extension increases. Your mid-back becomes more mobile, allowing you to stand taller. The result? Your posture transforms. Rounded shoulders straighten. Forward head position corrects. Lower back arch normalizes. You stand taller naturally. Back pain often reduces or disappears. Your body alignment improves. After 4 weeks of daily kettlebell training, postural improvements are visible. After 12 weeks, chronic postural problems often resolve completely. The cumulative effect. Transformation beyond individual benefits. Each benefit alone is valuable. But together, they create total transformation. You're stronger, you have better endurance, you're more flexible, you're leaner, your posture is better. This affects everything. Daily activities become effortless. Carrying groceries, climbing stairs, playing with kids, all easier. Athletic performance improves. If you play sports, your power, endurance, and movement quality all increase. Injury risk decreases. Strong, mobile joints with good posture prevent injuries. Confidence increases. Feeling strong and capable changes how you move through the world. Sleep quality often improves. Regular exercise, especially strength training, enhances sleep. Stress management improves. Exercise is one of the most effective stress reducers. Mental toughness develops. Daily training builds discipline and resilience. Energy levels increase. Despite training daily, most people report feeling more energetic, not more tired. The potential downsides. Being honest about daily training. Daily kettlebell training is powerful, but it's not perfect for everyone. Overtraining is possible if intensity isn't managed. Going heavy every day will burn you out. You must vary intensity, time commitment. Even 15 to 20 minutes daily requires consistency. Some people struggle with this. Technical mastery is required. Poor form practice daily ingrains bad patterns and causes injury. Monotony can be an issue. Some people need more variety than daily kettlebell work provides. Recovery can be challenging for some. Older adults or those with existing injuries might need more rest days. How to implement daily kettlebell training correctly. If you want to experience these benefits, follow this approach. Start with basic movements, swings, goblet squats, rows, presses. Master these before adding complexity. Vary intensity intelligently. Monday heavy, Tuesday light, Wednesday moderate, Thursday light, Friday heavy, Saturday moderate, Sunday light or rest. Listen to your body. If you're genuinely sore or fatigued, reduce intensity or rest. Keep sessions relatively short. 15 to 30 minutes is sufficient for daily training. Longer sessions increase recovery demands. Focus on perfect form always. Daily practice should reinforce good patterns, not bad ones. Include mobility work. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily on stretching and mobility. Track your progress. Write down weights used, reps completed, how you feel. This helps you manage intensity appropriately. What results to expect realistically? In 4 weeks, noticeable strength increase, improved cardiovascular fitness, visible fat loss, enhanced mobility, better posture. In 8 weeks, significant muscle development, dramatically improved endurance, major body composition change, pain reduction or elimination, complete movement transformation. In 12 weeks, total physique transformation, elite-level conditioning, mastery of fundamental movements, sustainable training habit established, confidence and capability that changes your life. Is daily kettlebell training right for you? It's perfect if you want efficient, effective training. Enjoy consistency and routine, want functional, athletic strength, have basic kettlebell competency, can commit to 15 to 30 minutes daily. It might not be ideal if you prefer variety and constantly changing workouts. Have significant injuries requiring extensive rest, can't commit to daily practice, are brand new to fitness and need slower progression. The truth about daily kettlebell training. It works. Millions of people worldwide have transformed their bodies through daily kettlebell practice. Soviet athletes, modern kettlebell sport competitors, military special forces, everyday people seeking better fitness. The question isn't whether it works. The question is whether you'll do it consistently. Daily training requires discipline, but the results are undeniable. So here's my challenge. Commit to daily kettlebell training for 30 days, even just 15 minutes per day. Track how your body changes, strength, endurance, mobility, body composition, posture. 30 days from now, you'll understand firsthand what happens to your body when you exercise with kettlebells daily. And I believe you'll be amazed. If you're committing to daily kettlebell training, drop a comment saying, "Daily kettlebell commitment." Let's build a community of consistent trainers. And if you want specific daily kettlebell programs, exercise tutorials, and progressive training plans, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What happens to your body if you exercise with kettlebells daily? Total transformation, strength, endurance, mobility, body composition, posture. Everything improves. The question is, are you ready to commit? I'll see you in the next video.